और एक और बड़ी खबर आपको बता दें कि तुर्की में ऑपरेशन दोस्त पूरा करके भारतीय सेना की मेडिकल टीम देश लौट आई है। टीम ने ऑपरेशन को सफल बताया है। ख्याल है कि मेडिकल और रेस्क्यू टीम तुर्की भेजी गई थी। तुर्की के इंडस्ट्रेन और हैते में भारतीय सेना ने फील्ड अस्पताल के जरिए मेडिकल, सर्जिकल और इमरजेंसी वार्ड चलाकर काम किया। इसी के साथ एक्सरे लैब और मेडिकल स्टोर भी कैंप में लगाए गए थे।
I must thank the government that a quick decision was taken to send us for this disaster response, because time was very crucial in this mission. So we were mobilized on 7th evening from here and we reached there 8th in the morning. Then from the local Adana airport we had to go to one of the places, Iskenderun, where we were told to establish our field hospital. And within a matter of hours we were functional. We were receiving casualties by 8th afternoon. As far as the number of casualties, it was a huge amount that we dealt with. In the total duration of the operation, we saw around 3,600 patients, more than that in fact. Profile of the patients started changing. The trauma cases were coming less and less, and the chronic cases, which the patients were not able to go to their local hospitals because they were not functional due to damage to the buildings, so they started coming to us. And we are lucky that we could provide them the best medical care that could have been possible in those scenarios. And yes, again, the mission was to win the minds and heart of the people by providing them timely medical care. I think we have achieved. The patients were very thankful because, as I said earlier, their healthcare system was not functioning at the max. So they were kind of very grateful to the nation and the team that we are there and providing the necessary medical assistance. At the same time, I would like to thank the people of Turkey also who volunteered. There were a lot of volunteers who were helping us with translations, with pharmacy. There were a lot of interns which joined us, a lot of doctors, local doctors which joined us. So yes, it was a well-oiled machinery, a very good team, and we could deliver, I hope.
चलिए, यहां पर रुकेंगे फिलहाल छोटे से ब्रेक के लिए।